Society.
All right, so I was thinking about this. Welcome back to the channel and the show. It is Tuesday. It is New Year's Eve, right? Is this New Year's Day?
It is New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve.
Eve?
It's not nighttime yet.
It's still New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year to everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. The Toyota Sequoia, 308,759 miles. How much money this year did I put into the Sequoia for 1 year's worth of driving on a super high mileage vehicle? Right? I'm going to consider 300,000 pretty high mileage, above average for high mileage vehicles. I will say that I did a full tune-up this year, spark plugs and
For
coils.
every mile, he has to tap the oil off a quart.
No, this doesn't burn any oil in 3,000 miles. It's 4,000 miles it does, but we're gonna confirm that.
Yes, Southern Lancaster Historical Society.
Okay,
That's
so
where we're going.
I've done
We're donating
probably 4 oil changes this year at 3,000 miles a piece. 4,000. Well, more, one at 4 and a couple at 3. So I'm gonna say four oil changes this year. My cost is probably $30 for that. I put 2 tires on it just recently. We did a video. That was my cost $240. And coils and spark plugs, all 8 coils and spark plugs, I would say it was probably $300 my cost, not including labor. So just this year alone in repairs and maintenance really wasn't that bad for a 308,000 mile, almost 309,000 mile 2004 Toyota Sequoia. So what did I say? 2, 5, 6, we'll just call it 800. Oh, sorry, I did 4 calipers and brake pads too. And did I do the pads and rotors? Oh, I did do the pads and rotors. So we're gonna say $80 a caliper for this car. 80 to 320. 120 for pads and rotors. So less than $1,500 in repairs. Really not that bad, in my opinion. It's way less than a car payment, right? So I don't really think that was too bad for repairs and maintenance for a 300,000 mile car that I'm probably the 3rd owner. I think I did pretty good. You know, just weigh that against a car payment. Like even your cheapest car is like $200 a month.
Increased insurance.
Plus the insurance, yeah. So I think I did pretty good with the Sequoia. April drives this every day, and we take it on long trips. I mean, we're on a 3-hour, probably 4-hour drive today. So I don't think I did too bad, not including the labor costs to do the work, which for me I benefit because I'm not paying full labor rate. I'm just paying my mechanics wages to do it, and actually I do it sometimes too. So we're just going to say without factoring labor cost under $1,500, and I could microscope it a little closer, it's probably more like $1,300. But man, if you just think about the money you save driving a pre-owned used vehicle, it's huge. Just to spend, you know, the average car payment for a decent car is $500 a month. That's 3 car payments and then some for an entire year's driving, which is nuts. And people are driving pre-owned cars that everything isn't covered or under warranty. So I think we did good since the year's over. The F-150, 160 or 170,000 mile F-150. What did I do to it this year? I did 1 brake line. I did a rear differential service. I did a few oil changes.
Did I find this at Peters Creek or the other creeks?
And I did rear brake shoes.
Where did I find this? Peters Creek, right?
So F-150.
The other one.
Thought it was in there. Like
$300-400 for the F-150 for repairs and maintenance.
that's it.
Yeah, that's not bad. 2 quarts of differential fluid is $20. Brake shoes were like $40. The brake line was, maybe $25 worth of parts. It's just a few $100s for the F-150. Holy crap, that's insane. So definitely worth driving a high mileage used vehicle.
It's not driven like that though.
It gets used. Well, I'm driving it every day now.
Yeah, but not like we.
No, but it's still a vehicle that you still have to repair and maintain. So yeah, the F-150.
Good, how are you?
Bonus. Every time I think about like, I want to get a car, I want to do this, I want to do that, I think about I could pay cash for it, but then I don't really want to pay cash for it.
While you're there.
And then you just finance it and pay it off sooner and just work, build up your credit even better. And then I say, God damn, that's what a waste of money when my hoopties are still in fantastic condition, and when they break, I don't care because it's worth fixing. And that's what happened with the Sequoia.
Sorry, are you in all three of them?
The previous owner didn't care about this car anymore and said they have to have a new car. And I've been driving this thing for a few years now. Thanks for watching.